Hi friends, welcome back to our data capture channel. If you are planning to switch jobs, restart your career, or looking for your next IT opportunity, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch until the end because I am going to share the latest job openings from the Infinite Computer Solutions along with my referral details. Let's get started. Job 1, Senior Chartered Accountant. This role is for Senior CA. Required experience for this job 9 to 14 years, and candidate should be expertise in US GAAP and IFRS. This position is offered the remote role. Shifts for this position is US shift and timings 3:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. IST. This is an excellent opportunity for experienced chartered accountants looking for a remote role with exposure to international accounting standards. Job 2, SAP FICO Consultant. Requiring experience 7+ years and location is Noida. If you have strong experience in SAP FICO financial accounting, controlling and SAP implementation, this role is worth. Please check out. Job 3, GIS Developer. Requiring experience 7+ years and available in Noida location and required skills GIS development, ArcSDE, spatial data, Python, GIS applications. If you are working in geospatial technologies, this is a great opportunity for you. Job 4, Web.js Developer. Requiring experience 4 to 6 years. This position is available in Noida location. Required skills are Web, GIS, GIS APIs, React.js, Angular, and .NET. This role is ideal for the developer with both GIS and full stack development experience. Job 5, ArcSDE Expert. Job 5, requiring experience with 6+ years, and this position is available in Noida location. Candidate should be expertise in ArcSDE, ArcGIS, Enterprise and Enterprise Geo databases, GIS database administrations, spatial data management. If you have Enterprise GIS experience, don't miss this opportunity. Referral details. If you are interested in applying, please use my referrals details while submitting your applications. Using the referral may help increasing the visibility of your profile during the hiring process. You will find the application links and referral details and all job informations in the description and pinned comment. If you are preparing for interviews or planning a career transition, check out the links in the description for ATS-friendly sample experience resumes, resume reviews, mock interviews, career guidance, for data engineering roadmap, and also for data engineering practical interview questions for Python, SQL, PySpark, ADF, and Databricks interview preparations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment which technology you are looking for, share this video with your friends, subscribe to Data Capture channel for the daily job updates, several opportunities, interview preparations, and career guidance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.